Assalamu alaikum. How are everybody? I hope all are fit and fine and having great time. Today I wanna discuss about appropriate decision. When you know about yourself, what you want in the future, you can clearly make your present decision. This process will become simple and convenient for you. Actually, having a long-term vision makes it easy to take short-term decisions. It's true that if you don't know where will you go in future, you have to work many way. The habit of long-term thinking is a powerful way. You will plan for the future but work in the present. To build this basis, you will watch many kinds of potential opportunities that were previously hidden from your side. It will help avoid your mistakes. If you practice this method, it will make your principles clear and transparent. Consequently, you will find the inner strength and courage to organize and execute your time and activities. Today's task will one day build your desired future. No more today, I will come in front of you with a new topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.